Welcome to my Jumptask review. Can you make money on Jumptask by doing some small tasks here or this kind of platform? Is this Jumptask scam or legit? But first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this secure video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Now let's talk about the Jumptask. So guys, if you're familiar with micro workers, this platform, it is the same. They offer some of the tasks. They look the same. Some of the tasks that you can do here, they wanna pay you cents. Okay, you're not gonna make a huge amount of money here, but it is a legit platform that you can earn some extra dollars, maybe $5 per month, maybe $1 per month, doing some small tasks here on this kind of platform, guys. Okay, so you can see that I created my own free account here or the Jumptask, guys. Okay, so what you can do here on Jumptask, there's some, like, they want to be giving you some $100 monthly giveaways, so you have to participate. As you can see that some of the users, they earn $24, they earn $16, they earn $14, they earn $12, they earn $12. Okay, this goes on and on. So these are some of the tasks that you can do here on Jumptask. Some of them, what you can do here on Jumptask, you can also do, like people here, they will list some of the tasks that you can do. Maybe they'll say follow them on social media, and then you have to send them a screenshot that you have done those kind of tasks. They will pay you maybe 2 cents or maybe 1 cent or maybe 0.001 cent. So they pay so little, guys. Okay, they pay so little. Some of them, they will say that, okay, go to YouTube and search this keyword, use this keyword, and also watch the whole video. And also what you can do, leave a comment. They're gonna pay you 1 cent for doing that. So this is a legit platform. As you can say, this one, watch and earn. So meaning that here on this website, you'll have to search these kind of videos, and also look at the amount that you'll be earning. 2 cent, 2 cent, 2 cent, 2 cent, 2 cent. So maybe you'll spend 20 minutes of the video, you'll be earning 2 cents. Maybe you'll spend 2 hours watching the video, maybe you'll earn 2 cents. So it is not worth your time. And also these kind of videos, they will consume internet connection, your data. So although it is legit, but the money that they are paying you here, it is so small. Look at this, some of the kind of tasks that you'll be doing. You have to complete the task. You go to YouTube, they will give you some instructions. You go to YouTube and search a specific keyword, watch the video, watch the whole video, maybe leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, or all of those kind of things. Or you can also do this kind of task, maybe do some surveys and stuff like that. Okay, you can do some surveys, or let's say they will say that, okay, you have to create a Facebook account. All of those things you have to do. You can also go to all tasks and see all of the old tasks that you can do here. As you can see that some of them, they pay up to $7. Maybe you have to they say that you have to register a Binance account. They will pay you $7. And with Binance account, you have to put your own ID there to verify the own account. So you have to complete some Jumptask surveys. They will pay you $2. There are so many. Some of them, they're going to be confused here. Look at this. Expect. They say that open expect download. You have to click and download this expect account, expect app, and then open it. It registers a news. It will pay you 15 cents for doing that. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure that I could recommend for you to do this. As you can see, there's so many tasks here that you can do. Get paid to watch videos, and some of them, they say that, okay, let's click here to leaderboard. So when you go to leaderboard, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna be showing you some of the members that they're earning money here. As you can see that the top paid average for this month is earning $24. That's the top person, okay, who's earning this. So imagine you as a beginner, how will you be earning these, guys? How will you be earning these? So I wouldn't recommend it. The top user is earning $24. Like, some of the users here, they are earning $12, $10, $7, $10 up to 50. So can you make an income changing life? No, you can't. Okay. And what I like about this, you can also stack this. It's kind of like an investment, like you can stack with NFTs, but you'll be getting 20% refund after 6 months. But it's not guaranteed that you'll get this money, because cryptocurrencies, this is a risky platform. Okay, just be aware of this. You have to stack, you have to stake here the kind of money you have to invest here. In 6 months, they claim that you'll be earning 20%, some of them 24%, some of them 12% after maybe 3 months, or maybe after 1 year earnings. So in this pool. But be careful with NFTs. This is not guaranteed. You can lose money here. You can get 0% of your money here, guys. You may lose your money here. So I wouldn't recommend it to just waste your money here, because you may lose NFT. It is risky. It is very, very risky. So as I said earlier on to you, this is a legit platform anyways. You can also go to Honeycomb and create your own free account here. You'll be getting 20% bonus. Or some of the ways that you can earn some money here, you can also go to referrals. You can also refer people on your links. You'll be getting 20% lifetime bonus whenever someone joins. Whenever someone joins through your link, you're earning 20%. Okay. But if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online from home without doing these small tasks, earning 2 cents, wasting your time, hours here, earning so little, get my number one recommendation to make money online with high ticket affiliate marketing that allows you to earn over $1,000 per sale. With high ticket affiliate marketing, help me to quit my 9-to-5 job and have financial freedom, guys. Okay, if you want to get access to that course, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.